talk to you about cleaning your dishwasher. It cleans your dishes, you have to clean it. And did you know there is a filter in the bottom of your dishwasher that should be cleaned? Now, I know a lot of people don't realize it, but it's very easy to take out. You're gonna reach in, you can either pull it out or you have to unscrew it, one or the other. You'll know what to do with your dishwasher. Now, all we're gonna do is take it, put a little soap on it, take a soft brush, and we're just gonna start and we're gonna scrub it. Then you're gonna rinse it really, really well. And you're gonna pop it back into the bottom of the dishwasher. But if you're not cleaning it, the dirty food, stuff that gets all over everything is gonna be going back onto your clean dishes. So make sure you're doing that. Now, I wanna show you a quick cleaning method to clean the whole dishwasher. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a bowl on the top rack. We're gonna put a cup or so, and you don't have to measure, of white vinegar in the bowl. Then I'm going to start the dishwasher up, and you're gonna run it through about half of the cycle, and you want to use a long cycle. Let it sit for about 30 minutes without running, and then start it up again and let it finish. When you're done, take some baking soda and sprinkle it in the bottom like that, and then run one more segment through the dishwasher. That will take care of it. It takes the odor out and it cleans it well too. Now, what else can you use? There's a product called Smelly Washer. Now, you can use this in your washing machine. You can use it in your dishwasher. You use 1 capful, and you're going to put it right down where you normally put your detergent, and make sure your dishwasher is empty when you're cleaning it. Run it through the cycle and it's clean, and it is 100% natural because you're using citric acid. Another thing to remember, and I've seen some pretty sad sights in my time, don't forget to clean the sides of the dishwasher. Now, places like this side here, across here, down the other side, because those are places you don't see, and that is where the dirt gets. Now, if you're looking for a printed copy of this, go to queenofclean.com and check me out at Real Queen of Clean on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, guys, thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.